everyone, I'm back again to share with you a wig I've created. This hair is from Dsoar Hair and I'm super excited to share with you guys this. So this is my finished wig and results. The hair is super duper long. Well, not necessarily, it's 18 inches. That's the length I always get. So it's not long to me, but it might be long to others and it might be normal to others. But first thing I'm going to say is this hair is tango free. And then the color is a very natural color tone. You guys, it looks like a natural, relaxed, and straightened hair, which is good. You want it to look like that. The more natural it looks, the better. So let's get to straightening. I hope my hoops don't get in the way. I think I should be good. So yeah, this hair is human hair, so you could put heat on it, you could curl it, straighten it, dye it, do all of that, and oh my gosh, after straightening it, it is getting mad silky. Like y'all, it's already super soft, but it just like literally got super soft. Wow, that's good. Check out those links down below and get you some Dsoar hair today, you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish straightening this hair up. So smooth and easy to straighten, which I'm like obsessed with. That means styling of this hair will not be hard at all, which is so good. No smell at all when I'm adding heat to it or anything funny. So nice and silky. Now I'm just going to straighten the other side. And voila! Now the hair is silky straight. And all we're gonna do to blend it to make it look more natural is add some powder to this parting. Again, I don't know, this is one of those wigs I just don't have interest in plucking. Just cause it's so clean. Like this middle of this part, since I got it as a middle part, it's so clean. And I don't bleach my knots or anything. And this is if you want a really perfect middle part look. You guys see how perfect that part is? All right, you guys. So that is Dsoar Hair. I'm gonna show you guys the box that it came in. It came in this box. It says Dsoar Hair, 100% human hair, and it has the website on it in this purple packaging. It has how to wash the hair on it, hair care on it, and this is the back of the box. And it closes, and your hair comes in this. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this one. Check out those links down below and get you some Dsoar hair. I got a closure, 3 bundles. I had plenty of hair to work with to create this wig and more. So yeah, thumbs up, click those links, follow Dsoar Hair, check them out and all that goodness. Comment down below which hair texture is your favorite. This is the Brazilian straight. That is my personal favorite. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate. I'm black Barbie, pretty face.